In this video, we are going to talk about dynamic remarketing through Smart Shopping Ads. In Google Ads, a remarketing option is available for years. Remarketing helps us reach people who visited your website. Previous visitors can see your ads while surfing the internet or while searching on Google. With dynamic remarketing, you can serve the ads to previous visitors, but the ads are showing products which those visitors have viewed during their visit. Dynamic remarketing is available only for the display network. In BlueWinston, we have prepared an article about it. You will learn all about dynamic remarketing through Smart Shopping Ads. What is dynamic remarketing? Dynamic versus non-dynamic remarketing? About Smart Shopping campaign. Just visit our blog where you can find it with many other articles and guides. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or watch the next video.